Hey, I got a question for you today. And if you're one of my followers, I would really love you to give me your feedback on this. Are you following us because you have multiple symptoms? You've got the exhaustion, the brain fog, all the many different confusing aches and pains, the migraines, the hormone issues, the gut issues. Okay, I could go on and on and on. Are you bouncing from doctor to doctor, from specialist to specialist, trying to find that elusive diagnosis? Or are you already living with a chronic illness diagnosis or an autoimmune disease, and you've been told that you just have to manage this forever, that there is no cure, that there's nothing that you can do except take your big pharma? Look, that's just no longer scientifically true. And you can be just like me. You can heal from these chronic symptoms to a significant degree. You can feel so much better. But I need some help from you today. If I told you that I can give you a free program that's only 2 hours long with a companion ebook, and if I told you that if you did this training, you could get started right away and start getting your energy back within about the next 30 days, would you like to have that? And what if I told you that I myself, as a medical scientist, as an autoimmune disease specialist, that I myself have healed from 7 autoimmune diseases and severe fibromyalgia, that I've been healed for over 10 years, and I've helped thousands of people to feel better over those 10 years? What if I offer you a challenge that you can actually do? You can come and be with me and learn everything I've got to teach you about the new science of healing. And what if I said that I could start answering all those confusing questions that you have about your health, all those things that keep you up at night? What if I told you that I had your answers and that I could actually really start helping you to feel better and that I would love to help you do this? And what if I said I would give this training to you live with me for 5 days, 1 hour a day for only $27? Would you like that? I'm very confident that if you'll let me be your health mentor, if you let me start training you, I want to prove to you that this is really true, that you can feel better, that you can absolutely change your life, and you can start living the life that God created you for without all the crazy health limitations getting in your way. And when you grab your ticket for the Rise and Heal Challenge for only $27, I'm also going to give you a bunch of free bonuses that you are going to love, things that you can put to use right away to help you. And look, if you come to the challenge and you pay the 27 bucks and for some reason you think that I didn't fulfill on my promises to totally help you change your life and start feeling better, I'll give you your 27 bucks back. But I've never had anyone ask for that because everything that I'm about to give you in the Rise and Heal Challenge is going to go, pff, it's going to blow your mind. And it's not all the same internet guru stuff that you're used to seeing. This is everything that you need, the newest, latest science that you can put to use right away that actually works. To anybody can do this, no matter how long you've been suffering, no matter how sick you feel you are, no matter how broken you think you are. I'm here to tell you, I've been in your shoes. I know how you feel. And yes, you can feel better. So I'm inviting you now to the challenge and to the free program and to the free ebook and all the free bonuses so you can learn how to start feeling better right away. If you're really serious about solving your health problems and you want to learn all the newest, latest science in one short training, you'd like me to answer all your questions for you? Get your ticket now for the 2026 Rise in Heal Challenge. These are normally $97, but for a limited time, I'm going to give just a few of these away at only $27. So you're going to want to act quickly on this one. Just go to risehealchallenge.com. It's up on the screen, risehealchallenge.com. Get your ticket, get your free program, get your free ebook, and all the free bonuses right now. Come on, come into my private community. Let me start being your private health mentor. I can't wait to see you feel better. I'll see you soon.